What's up, guys? Today we are playing I'm a Cat. So let's get right into it. Let's just be a bad cat today. We're not going to do the quests today in today's video. We're going to be breaking stuff today. Let's just make the world record of the most. She doesn't keep it cat, so let's go break her vodka. Go break her vodka. Let's go break her vodka. Let's go break it. Let's get up. Oh, and now you can. Now you care because it was vodka, your favorite drink. Your favorite drink, huh? Grandma? Huh? Oh, sorry. Favorite drink. So you get for picking drinking over me. Anyway, that was a good deed because I broke up. Oh, a fish. Let's cook it. Cook it. Let's cook the fish. Let's get down. Gotta cook. Gonna cook the fish. 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 Cooking the fish. No, it's a fish. Is that fish alive? Did I cook the fish? No, I didn't cook. Wait, can I cook the fish? Can I cook the fish? I never tried it. I got stuck. What do I even look like if I had a camera? Yeah. I'm being a bad cat. I'm being a bad cat, so let's be a good cat by taking that and putting the fish back into its aquarium. Put it in for. Just make a that hot for water for the fish. For the fish. Take. Into the water. Let me just stop. Are you playing Gorilla Tag?
Yeah. That's good, bro. That's good. That's so good.
I only care about you, bud. It's okay. be a good cat for a man. Nope.
I don't care.
I got a fish. What's this fish doing? Guys, put it in the water. And then it swims. It doesn't go to the bottom. It goes to the bottom. Bye, guys. One sec. Bye, guys.